This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Morello. Brand new roof. Roof installed 6 months ago and exterior painted 2 months ago. Large 4-bedroom stacked floor plan in one of Plantation and number 8217, S most desirable subdivisions and number 8211, Marcano Estates. Kitchen remodeled with maple cabinetry / granite and newer appliances including gas stove. Vinyl flooring and laminate throughout. Home is situated on a large 10,000 square foot lot, fenced with screened enclosed patio, very private with lush landscaping and canal view. Hurricane shutters for all openings and baby pool fence. Close to all forms of schools, dining and expressways. Location Canal number 8217, TB beat. See this home today, tomorrow may be too late. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Morello at 954-684-1795.